Family members gathered today to remember a woman who was killed in northern Minnesota. Amanda Boshey was killed in a hit and run last December. As we reported, Boshey, who was 38 years old, was hit in the Boys Ford Reservation on December 17th. Officers found her unconscious and she later died at the hospital. A family gathered outside the federal courthouse in Duluth today, raising awareness for the case as the suspect was in court. Amanda's cousin is hopeful that the family can find closure after the case is over.
She was a mother, she was a daughter, she was a sister. She deserves justice. She deserves for her name to be remembered. She got taken away from us way too soon. I hope they give him what he deserves.
Eric Peterson was federally indicted on 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter in January. He appeared in federal court today virtually for an arraignment.